Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and this pan has gotten a lot of love.
I love these pans. They're so versatile and you can use them for so many different things. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, you name it. It's big enough to fit a family's meal on there, but it's also small enough that it's not annoyingly big to put those little things on there that you need to heat up real quick. I also use it to go under my casserole dishes sometimes. Not only is it easier to move, but it also catches all the drips and spills.
So if you were looking for a baking sheet or two and you just want to cook different things on it, heat something up, maybe even bake a cake, make some cookies, the possibilities are endless. I would definitely recommend this sheet pan. I really love it. I'm going to keep on using it as I've been for the past few years, and I'm just going to keep on cooking, and that's my point of view.